Hey guys, welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. Thank you for always watching on my channel. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. Our recipe for today is Swedish meatballs with pasta. If you would like to know how to create this, keep on watching. For this recipe, you need 1 pound of ground beef, half cup of breadcrumbs, half onion finely minced, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of salt, but divided into the ground meat and into the sauce, 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, also divided into the ground meat and into the sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of beef broth, 2 cups of milk, 400 grams of egg noodles, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, and half cup of fresh parsley chopped. Okay, so let's get started. So in a large bowl, you combine the ground meat, the breadcrumbs, half of the salt, half of the pepper, the minced onion, and 1 egg. And then you mix it properly until all the ingredients are well combined. Okay, and then after that, into the saucepan, you put your oil, putting it in a medium heat, and then you form it into a golf ball, and then you put it one by one. Just put your heat in medium. You don't have to cook it so long. You just cook it for a minute and then flip it. Okay, so you don't have to cook this for too long. You just make sure that you flip it in both sides and you have the nice golden brown color. Like about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you put your heat in a medium high, and then you pour your beef broth. And then you add the remaining pepper and the remaining salt. And stir it a little bit. And then you're gonna let it boil. So when it starts to boil, add the milk. And then you stir it a little bit and then let it boil again. So once it's boiling, you add your egg noodles. And stir it constantly until the water absorbs the noodles. So once the noodles absorb all the liquid and you can see that it's cooked, we're gonna put on the parsley. Make sure that you always keep stirring it so the noodles won't stick at the bottom of the pan. And then finally, you add your grated parmesan cheese. Turn off your heat. Mix it nicely and it's ready to serve. So this is the finished product of our recipe today, the Swedish meatballs with pasta. Hope you're gonna like it and try to recreate this at home. Before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another amazing recipe. Thank you again for watching. Please take care, always stay safe, and I will see you again on my next video.